Viewers, welcome to Murad's Kitchen. Today we're going to show you how to make dates halwa. Basically, we got some fantastic dates. Now we're going to de-stone them. Viewers, de-stoning, we cut it in the middle. Just take the stone out of it. That's it. Done. Viewers, we de-stone all our dates. Now we're going to put some hot water and little bit of bicarbonate soda. Viewers, we're adding our water. Make sure the water covers them all. That's my bicarbonate soda. We're going to put it on with the water. We're going to keep it for half an hour. Viewers, have a look. My dates, they are soft and lovely and tender because bicarbonate soda and hot water is combined together. They make it really soft and tender. Now we're going to blend them. Viewers, have a look at it. It's lovely and smooth paste is made. So basically, if you need to add a bit of water to make it smooth, feel free. We add little bit of water in the time and it's becoming really smooth and nice. Viewers, we're going to put a little bit of clarified butter in a pan. Clarified butter or ghee, whatever you wanted to say. We're going to toast our cashew nuts. I'm going to add a little bit of almond as well. Oh, the smell is divine when you put the almond and cashew nuts fry in a ghee. Wow, the smell is taking beautiful. We're going to put it in a plate. Just we need it a little bit later. Now we're going to add a little bit more ghee. We are going to put all our dates there. we're going to add little by little the ghee. If we need more, we're going to add each time. Viewers, we're going to add a bit more ghee or clarified butter, whatever you wanted to say. Viewers, look at it. Is becoming, is take out most of the waters away, and the ghee is separated from the mixture. So at the moment we're going to add some corn flour. If you want to add sugar, feel free to do that, because this is the time to put sugar, but I'm not going to put any sugar in it because I think it's sweet enough. Viewers, we're going to add our corn flour. Viewers, make sure you keep it the slowest flame is possible. Viewers, we're going to chop our nuts very small and pieces. So every bits of bites you're going to get a bit of nuts. We put all our nuts in the mixture. Viewers, I think my mixture is ready. It's ready to go to a mold. Viewers, the mold we're going to put it, we're going to brush it with a little bit of clarified ghee. So that's the way it's going to come out very easily. It's not going to stick at the bottom. We're going to put all our mixture. All our mixture is going in. You level it and let it cool down. Viewers, we're going to garnish it with few almonds. Let it cool down for a couple of hours. Viewers, that's my beautiful dates halwa. Wow, looks yummy and is going to be taste delicious. Yum yum. Enjoy.